Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to mute conversations on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see the Chats option. Go ahead and tap on it to view all your conversations. This is where all your active chats are stored and where you can manage your messaging preferences. Now, from your list of conversations, locate and tap on the specific conversation you want to mute. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation that's been sending too many notifications throughout the day. Opening the conversation is necessary because Signal requires you to access individual chat settings to customize notification preferences. Once you're inside the conversation, look up to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice three dots stacked vertically, which is the menu icon. Tap on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing this particular conversation. This menu gives you access to various chat-specific settings and controls. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Mute Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to stay in a conversation but need a break from constant alerts, whether it's a busy group chat or someone who messages frequently during your work hours. After tapping Mute Notifications, a new screen will appear presenting you with multiple time frame options. You can choose to mute the conversation for 1 hour, 8 hours, 1 day, 7 days, or always. Each option serves different purposes depending on your needs. For instance, if you're in a meeting, 1 hour might be perfect. If you're going on vacation, 7 days or always might be more appropriate. Select your preferred time frame by tapping on it, and that's it. You've successfully muted the conversation. It's important to note that muting a conversation only stops its notification sounds and alerts. You'll still receive all the messages normally, and they'll be waiting for you in the chat whenever you choose to check them. The conversation simply won't interrupt you with sounds or pop-up notifications during the muted period. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.